Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. This job from KPMG and other company. This before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe this channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This is Telegram link, and this link I will paste in description box. Let's discuss our first job. First job from Kyndryl. This is for system administrator domain and location is Bangalore, India and primary job area is technical specialist and this is about Kyndryl and what is your responsibility you can see here a strong and all Cisco and you can see here all that and required education is bachelor degree must need and role is system administrator and all and how to apply the job you simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job from Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is hiring for customer service associate and experience is 0 to 2 year of experience and salary he provide 2.5 to 3.5 LPA and location is Noida, Kolkata, Delhi, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Pune and Pune and Jamshedpur, Delhi, NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai, all area. And postage is 27 day ago and number of opening is 100. Okay. And this is a job highlight Tech Mahindra and all you can see here. And this is your requirement basic knowledge of computer, excellent communication skill required verbal and written also and 5 day working and salary is 3.5 LPA and contact detail Ajit Shukla contact number here you can see and email ID is this okay and how to apply this job you simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our our next job from the analyst for KPMG. KPMG is hiring for analyst technology domain for Noida Uttar Pradesh location and this is your job description JD for Python developer 0 to 1 year of experience in Python programming familiar with core Python programming such as Python data structure regular expression oops object orientation programming and constructor knowledge of scraping data from various sources like CSV Excel database APIs and etc knowledge on scraping data from various I am already tell you knowledge on performing basic NLP technology like this you can see here and basic knowledge of building machine learning model and generate insights for models and basic qualification need consist academy of minimum 60% of 10th 12th and graduation with no backlogs must need and bachelor of engineering bachelor of technology CS CSIT and similar branch and MCA are also eligible for this knowledge of programming is must and how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel and share this channel share this video with your friend. Thank you.